Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the Shortcuts app is ready. Open it now. Once done, make sure iOS is up to date and Shortcuts has any requested permissions so automation runs. You pick the app you want bookmarked and choose a custom icon or emoji ahead of time to make identification instant. This preparation speeds the process and prevents interruptions. Without it, you'll pause mid-setup. Now create a new shortcut. Tap the plus to begin building the link. You add an action. Tap Add Action and search for Open App, then select the exact app you want bookmarked. After that, rename the shortcut to a clear label. This becomes the home icon name, so keep it short. Next, tap the ellipsis or share icon and choose Add to Home Screen. This is the critical step that converts the shortcut into a tappable home icon. Make sure to set the custom image and confirm the file name. That visual cue matters for fast recognition. You finalize by tapping Add. The new bookmark appears on your home screen as an app-like icon. Test it immediately. When you tap it, Shortcuts will briefly run and then open the app, which is normal. If the icon is missing or shows a generic image, remove it and repeat the Add to Home Screen step, or reboot the iPhone to refresh icons. If Shortcuts asks permission when launching, grant it once so future taps run seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.